the presidential task force, stakeholders.
Yes.
Thank you.
Digital highway for internet use in this country. And it's our submission as a
training colleges. This is one sector that has been ignored. When an advert was done, seemingly, and to correct a former speaker here, only 1,100 candidates qualified to join the teacher training colleges. Why? Because of the requirements. C plain. Apart from that, you must get a C in English, Kiswahili, science, a science and maths, and then maybe one humanity. So that means a total of 6 C's. So only 1,100 candidates qualified. So remember, we have 32 public teacher training colleges. So all these could not fit in these teacher training colleges. There's a serious problem. If we don't do anything as a government or as a nation, soon teachers will not be in these colleges. And if you check the gender in all the teacher training colleges, the female students are more. Male students are not there. Like my college, we only have 50 male students. The rest are female. The boy child, there is a problem, a serious problem with the boy child. Unless we do something, this profession will only be for the female students.